for the video day, which is on 17th of January. We're on Wednesday. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the advantages of trading high beta euro correlated currencies. Now, in terms, I've got Euro USD up here. It is the most popular currency pair to trade, but I don't think most of the time it's the best. It lacks volatility. There's more volatility in the correlated currencies. So if you're a euro bear, which we are, then by taking proxy currencies, you're probably going to get more bang for your buck due to the volatility difference. Okay, I'll just illustrate the difference first of all. Then we're going to look at four pairs today. I'm going to look at three proxies. So basically USD against Swedish krona, Norwegian krona, and Polish zloty. And at the end, I'll look at Euro USD for anyone who is interested. Okay, but in terms of volatility, big move up in the euro, double top into 111, corrective action. What is that in terms of percentage move? It's only 2.25%. Let's take a proxy. USD SEK. Double bottom here. Nice move up. How much is that in percentage terms? Basically, that is 5.75. So well over double. So you're basically getting better profit potential on your trades by trading the proxies. Now, in terms of what we do know about the USD generally, if I go here, is posted this chart a couple of weeks ago in the member center. It's market positioning in terms of the USD. They go from a big long to almost a record short. Only two instances, back in 2017, back in 2020, when the market was shorter. This week, when I posted the chart, you got a little bit of short covering, but it's not big. There's plenty of shorts in the USD to get taken out the market on stop. Now, in terms of the first pair we look at, USD SEK. I just want to look at overall SEK positioning. This is a really big extreme market, really long of the SEK and short of the USD. It's the biggest long on the chart. I think it's the biggest long since 2015. So USD SEK has had a little bit of a move. It could see more upside. Let's go and take a look at it and do some levels of entry, stop and target. Right, on the first chart, which is USD SEK, and I'm using the chart from our member center. For anyone new to our videos, we do not use complicated technical analysis. It's all very simple. Big levels that we look at. We've already got a bias from the big fundamentals and sentiment behind the charts. We can keep it simple. Now, in terms of USD SEK, obviously we've seen a reasonable move up, and we're looking for more upside to 11, then possibly 11.20. Specs are still loaded up heavily short. Now, in terms of you wanted to look at this trade, I think this level here, you can see where I've highlighted the bodies with this resistance line. I think that needs to be cleared out. If you get a nice blue through there, stop could be behind this first level resistance. Okay, now at the moment we're long, we've got it behind second level, waiting hopefully for the breakout. You've always got the chance, you had a decent move, we could dip back to this double trend line here. You could key off that level on strength or wait for it to hold and maybe go back through 10.40. Okay, it's still plenty of specs short. I think the fundamentals are turning USD bullish. I'm not going to discuss them in this video. I'll discuss them in a general video tomorrow. But the risk to reward, really good on this one. It's seen a nice move. We're hoping, obviously, we see more of the same. We shall see. Right, let's go to the next pair, which is USD NOK. Now, I don't have the speculative positioning on this one like I did on the SEK. But if you were to look at, forecasters, and we look at around 20 regularly, we can't find anyone bullish of the USD. So I'm assuming this is packed with spec shorts as well. I personally think, yeah, this is a buy, stop behind the 1040 level for a move to 11, then 1120, or if we were to come back to this upsloping trend line, okay, you could go back through the 1040 level. So if we did pull back here, go through 1040 with a stop, I can't say exactly where the stop would be, but obviously behind the first level of nearby support. What's the next proxy? Next proxy is USD PLN. Right, we're on USD PLN. Now, in terms of this one, PLN is overbought in numerous other pairs, okay? It's been a favourite of speculators to buy the PLN. It's got a little bit of carry on it, and PLN just overbought everywhere, not just on the USD. Now, in terms of the PLN, obviously the strong move down, and we've kind of based out now. We've got to take out this level here, in my view, and then we should be off to the upside, okay? Now, in terms of we break higher, stop behind the double trend line, then look for a move to 425, then 440. If we drop back towards the 4 level, you can basically key off the level for longs, i.e. key off on strength, okay? So there are the three proxies, and as I said, we will look at Euro USD. Now, in terms of Euro USD, that big red looks bearish. It's taken out the 109 level. In terms of this 20-day moving average, our stop is basically behind it. We don't really want to see that taken out on the upside. I think the euro is a sell. You could come in just on a bit more weakness or key off the resistance levels. For us, we're going down to 105. Longer term, I think we could go as low as par. I'm really bearish of Eurozone, so we shall see. But yeah, if you look and trade Euro USD, really consider the correlated currencies, because they can really enhance your profit potential, in our view. If you want to learn more about what's in our member center, or you want to join our free mailing list, just go to the link to the domain beneath this video. But that is the video for today. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.